the situation I ran into was the raw bearings. The raw bearings, I didn't buy these when I bought the whole engine. This is the raw bearings it came with. That is the part number. Not only that, these are the correct ones that I need. So if you guys ever run into a situation like that, make sure that you guys have your raw bearings. Alright guys, I'm installing the raw bearings. Make sure that you install the raw bearings the correct way. There's going to be a line here and a gap right there. That's going to always go that direction because there's nothing over here and there's no line on this side. So it's really easy, you should not force it. And make sure that they're lined up correctly flat. See how that's not lined up here? And this one's pushing this far out. So it's really easy, just push it down and it'll slide to the side. Just make sure it's... The way how I know this is going back in there is because I marked it earlier. If you look down over here, there's that flashlight. I have a number 1, so meaning it's a number 1 piston. This one has the marking, so I'm gonna do it like this and just push it in and put the bolts and torque it down to the torque spec wherever your own manual says. You guys notice too that on these right here, I marked them before I removed them. It's always good to mark it and put like a number 2 and then put the arrow facing towards the front of the engine so you know it goes that direction. That's pretty much it, guys. Now it's just getting the torque stick and torque them down. I don't know what type of torque stick you guys use, but the one that I have, this is what I use. I really like this a lot. I mean, it's digital. Now I have 44 foot-pounds. That was for the main bearings. I need to look at what my torque spec is for the raw bearings. What's up, everybody? I'll let you guys know that sorry about the video that was cutting out. Hard to work on the engine and record at the same time because my brother's not there helping me record. Right now everything is turning out pretty good. It's pretty hard to work on the engine or the car because everything is just so rare to find. I'm doing my best to try to find all the OEMs. If I have to go aftermarket, I will. But thank you guys for all the love and support that you guys been giving us. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be existing. And we look forward to continue making more videos. And if you guys can, slam that thumbs up